Okay, so this video is for those of you that have never seen the inside of a four-wheel drive transfer case. This is what goes between your front axles and your rear axle. I should say your front drive line and your rear drive line in the middle of your vehicle. And this particular one, there's all kinds of things that can go wrong with them. The shifting forks can break and bearings go out, and well, this is what's happening with this one. I don't know if this light can see it now. Let me turn it that way. But looks like something has broke. Ah, darn it! I need a flashlight. There we go. I haven't found out what that goes to yet. You can't really see, still really can't see in there. But if I rotate it this way. Yeah, there we go. I'm not sure what that is yet. But we'll tear it apart, and apparently it's been giving me some problems for quite a while. And what happens is it's making the chain jump and ball up. You can see right here, see how it's coming off the teeth? It's going like that and spinning around. I'm hoping that's what the only problem is. Other than that, I've still got a problem with the front differential. But for right now, I heard a bearing howling coming back from a 40-mile trip, and ooh, there's more pieces down in here. I heard something rattling around, and I heard the bearing rattling or squawking, and so I decided to better get her home and tear it down. And I'm glad I did before it grenaded and exploded the case. And we'll see what this is. I don't know. Interesting. Guess I'll find out later. So anyhow, I basically just wanted to show you guys what the inside of a transfer case looked like. And we'll be having fun with it. I ordered new gears, thinking I may have needed them. It looks like I almost did, but I don't think that'll come out of there. And I don't think it has harmed the teeth, but whatever. Got an extra $100 worth of gears coming. Maybe I can resell them on eBay where I got them. Okay, well, there she is. Y'all have a good evening now. I can turn this thing off.